how to log in to your HelloFresh account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your HelloFresh account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone, and now here, once you're inside the app on the main dashboard, you'll see the interface like this. So from there you can simply tap on login button, and after that you'll be prompted to the sign in page. Now here you can simply type in your email address and password, and there you can also continue with Google, Apple or Facebook if you have signed up that way. And here once you're done entering your email and password, you can simply tap on continue, and after that you'll be logged in with your HelloFresh account. But here, just in case if you ever forget your password, you can just tap on forget password, and after that you can simply follow the on-screen prompts to reset your password. And that's it. That's how you can log in to your HelloFresh account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.